Okay, today's code example is going to illustrate one little tidbit that needs to be kept in mind when using Linq with any .NET language today using C#. Linq, or the Language Integrated Query, was designed by Microsoft as a means of universally interacting with data sources once presented to any .NET language, because then it's just interacting with objects instead of whatever that data set is being stored in. Here we have a simple project, single main method, with a small data set representing a set of book titles. We are going to create a simple little query that should filter the book titles to books containing the word run, and then we are going to be able to print that out. In the meantime, between when we create the query and printing it out, we're going to remove the top two entries in the list. This is to simulate maybe processing, or somebody checks them out if this is a library or whatever. Let's give it a run and see what books our query gives us. Now, notice that there are 4 entries here, but over here there are 5. We are missing born to run, which is part of the first 2 that were removed. The interesting thing about this is that our query comes before the removal. Now, the reason that's missing is because what happens is the Linq query itself just creates an enumerable object, which doesn't actually evaluate the contents of the list until you actually go through the results of the query. So it more or less sets up what the query will be. It doesn't actually execute the query until you ask for the data. So to fix the problem, today what we're going to do is simply ask it to pre-evaluate the data to an array for us when we create it. And you'll see here that born to run is now listed. Thank you. I hope this helped somebody.